I'm thinking of joining swimming classes, and for that I need swimming costumes. So I've come here. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This time it's not an off day in my life video. This time I'm making videos. It's going to be like a week in my life kind of video. Although I did not click anything on Monday, I did not take any clips. Yesterday was my off. It was Tuesday. I did go out yesterday. I went to Decathlon. Also, I'm going to show you what all I got, and I'm going to continue this. This is going to be like a week in my life kind of video. I might include like where am I going work wise also in this video. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's going to happen because today I have standby and I have not got any flight till now. So I'm not sure. If I don't get any flight today, I'm going to go for swimming classes. Actually, I planned for this long bag, but somehow it didn't work out. I never went, and this time I've planned that I should go for swimming and I'm going to go. That's why yesterday I went to Decathlon. I got everything, the essentials that was required. I've already called them and told that it's not confirmed yet. I might come today or any other day. So I hope it gets maintained and I get to, learn swimming starting from today itself. Although I'm very much scared of water, I literally, I don't know how to swim at all, and I'm really scared also. But it's a new thing. It's good to learn something new. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Now I'm going to show you what all I got. This is the bag right here. First, I'll show you this. Actually, my mother and my brother had come here in Bangalore in the month of July, and I had got this football for him, but it was, the air was filled in and they couldn't take it to the airport. I did not have the pin of this, so I got it yesterday. It comes with a pump as well. For example, if I want to inflate this ball, then we can. So yeah, this comes with a pin. I have to remove this. So this is the thing which I got. It was for 199 rupees. The next thing I got is this bag. There was one salesperson who suggested me that I should get this bag because after swimming I need to keep my wet clothes somewhere. It's best to keep it here because the water will not come out of the clothes, and so that it'll be easy for me to carry my wet clothes. So yeah, this is the bag. It was for 999, but I got this for 399, 400 rupees. The next thing is this. This is my dress which I'm going to wear while swimming. It has shorts also, tights here. So yeah, this is of good quality. There were many other clothes also starting from 799, but the quality was not that great. This is quite good. I tried it. This was for 1299, 1300 rupees. And this is the swimming cap. Although I don't know how to wear it, I'm so much scared. I never used to wear caps during my school also. In winters, people used to wear caps so much while going tuitions early in the morning, but I never used to wear. I never liked wearing caps, but yeah, I have to wear this for swimming. This one was for 399 as well. And then I got this towel. This was also for 399 rupees. This is how it looks like. It's quite big. Yeah, these were all the items which I got from Decathlon, and I am nervous as well. I'm really nervous because I don't know how to swim. Let's see what happens today.
Go. Head down, put head down fully.
Hello everyone, good morning. It's Saturday and I'm about to get ready for my flight. I'll just have my breakfast quickly and then I'll get ready. I have two flights for today, Bangalore to Chandigarh and then coming back to Bangalore. I'll be coming back at around 10:30. Yeah, and I'll just have my breakfast quickly and then I'll get ready.